Amanda, thank you so much for clicking on this video. Hope you're having an awesome day. Thanks for taking some time out of your day to hang out with me. Today's video, I'm super excited because we have a triple Glow Addict unboxing. We have the beauty bag, beauty box, and skincare boxes to unbox. The beauty bag you pay $13.99, the beauty box is $18.99, and then the skincare box is $24.99. And then for each box you do pay $3 in shipping. Each month, each tier retails for a different value. We see a lot of indie brands in it, and this is my first time getting the beauty bag. I have really been enjoying the spoilers and reveal boxes for it. They also have a sister brand called Shop Eye Beauty. That's something else that I'm currently eyeing as well. It's the same amount as the beauty bag. I will link my Glow Addict playlist to watch previous unboxings, and if you haven't already, please subscribe and give this video a like. Let's get unboxing. Since the beauty bag is new to us, let's start with that. Ooh, I see lashes. I am super excited. I have been living for lashes. Like, I cannot do a look and not put on lashes these days. This is a new pair from Lash Scoop. It is a sister brand to Tribe Beauty Box. They were doing a donation where all proceeds go to some of the organizations supporting Black Lives Matters, and I decided to buy 2 of the bundles because the $1 lash donations were sold out. This is the style Lizzie, and I am really digging it. I like how it kind of starts out thin and then fans out towards the end. My love for lashes have definitely grown. I think that's something that helped me get out of my comfort zone. I have received a handful of lashes from Glow Addict, so it definitely excites me when I do get a pair in a box, or in this case, a bag. This is by Flaunt Beauty, and this is the style Empowered. I don't think I have tried Flaunt Beauty before, but these lashes are absolutely stunning. I think that they will look really pretty with a lot of summery looks that are going to be very colorful and bright. This style lash is something that I go to, something very full, on the more dramatic side, because I don't really have lashes, if we're being honest here, so that's why I am living for these, even if it occasionally does touch my eyebrows. It is very strange because I am not used to that. So much excited to try these out. And then we have a liquid eyeliner. This is by the brand iContour. It's a precision liquid liner, and I could always use more liquid liners. They always dry out on me super fast. This is what the tip looks like. It reminds me very much of the Maybelline Hyper Easy. Ooh, that is beautiful. Matte black, very thin line. I'm sure you can build it up to your liking. Might be good for winged eyeliner. Something that I haven't done in a hot minute, but I really like how this looks. It's drying down matte. That is something that I much prefer in my liquid eyeliners as opposed to a more satin shiny finish. Can't go wrong with a sheet mask. I think this brand might be called JJ Young by Cow Lion Lab. Looks like it's a 2-piece mask. There are 6 different varieties. We received the Rejuvenate and Firming Mask. So it looks like we get a piece for our eye area and then for our cheeks and chin area. I don't think I've ever heard of this brand before, and I really don't do many 2-piece masks. I normally just throw on a sheet mask and call it a day, but it looks like it might be a K-beauty brand. Personally, I have been on a K-beauty kick lately, so I am very excited to see how this works out. And not just a K-beauty kick, but a sheet mask kick. Personally, I need to do more intense masks, especially when my texture and redness is kind of out of control, but I've been really focusing on hydrating and smoothing, and that is something that sheet masks do a really nice job of, and it's something I've been interchanging between using sleep masks, which are my all-time favorite masks, and sheet masks are something that I can do pretty much every single day. Usually I do it every other day, but it just feels nice doing it every day, kind of like that me time ritual. And let's be honest, self-care is really important right now. I know I am constantly mentally exhausted, so just being able to take some time out of my day to focus on my skincare or makeup routine, it has just been something very relaxing, calming, and therapeutic. Lastly, this is mainly why I signed up for the beauty bag this month. Look at this brush case, and I think it's because I have so many brushes right now that need to be clean. I have been putting it off for quite some time now, not gonna lie. I thought that these brushes were absolutely stunning because they're purple. Purple is my favorite color, if you can't tell. Also trying out a pop of color on the waterline today. I'm using my LA Girl Shockwave liners. Oh, I am just obsessed. Even though I'm still kind of like, I wish it was black. I just love black eyeliner so much. It's my inner scene goth emo girl. And this is by the brand Beauty Creations. This is the Liquid Sparkle Rose 7-piece brush set. And we got a mixture of face and eye brushes, which I like. That's what I would prefer to get in a brush kit if I'm getting one in a subscription box. Doesn't say what the brushes are, which is okay. And oh my gosh, the ADD with this glitter, it's about to get lit. But these two look like powder brushes. This one is a little bit more firm. I might use it a little bit more for bronzing out the face, whereas this one might be good for blush. And then I don't really use fan brushes, but we have one and we can use it for highlighter. And then we have 4 eye brushes. We have a very flat lid brush. I like to use these brushes to cut the crease or really pack on some glitter shades. We have a brow or eyeliner brush. I would probably use this more for my brow pomades. We have a crease brush, which I can always use. And then we have a pencil brush. I either use it to smoke the lower lash or to do my inner corner highlight. I'm not really sure how much the beauty bag retails for because there is no card, but I mean for $13.99 it wasn't bad. I have a brush set that I can pretty much do a full face with. I have a sheet mask, eyeliner, and lashes. I'm very content with that. Not gonna lie, I think I am most excited for lashes, followed by the liquid eyeliner. I am obsessed with this precise line, and that takes away nothing from the brushes. These brushes are very soft. I wish they were just a little bit more denser, but they're cute. So both the skincare and beauty boxes are in the same packaging. I don't know which one is which until I open it up. This is the beauty box. Ooh. We have a sponge. Oh, it feels very similar to the Juno & Co sponge. I actually really love that sponge. I'm not cheating on my Sigma 3D HD Max Kabuki, but when that brush gets very dirty, it needs a deep clean. I do like to use my Juno & Co sponge, so I want to see how this rivals it. And I love the pink. I think it's absolutely adorable. Oh, we have more lashes. This is also a really nice style. This is by Loa. This is a premium 3D faux mink false eyelashes. It is cruelty-free, lightweight, and reusable. Not sure the brand of the sponge, and it didn't come in like a protector case. You would think it would have with COVID happening, so definitely gonna wash this before use. I am loving the style lash. I think these look a little bit more natural compared to the ones that we received in the beauty bag, but nonetheless, I will get a lot of use out of both of them. On this side of the box, I only noticed it when I set it down. It says, a peony for your thoughts. That's kind of cute. Maybe that's the lash style. We have a CBD coffee lip scrub. I actually received one of these in the skincare box last month, so I might set this aside for a giveaway, or I might give it to Griffin. Honestly, I haven't really noticed much of a difference with it having CBD in it as opposed to like my Jeffree Star Mojito lip scrub. I think that they both work very similarly. I don't know, I feel like a lot of brands put in the ingredient CBD to either jack up the price or get people excited about it when it really doesn't do much of a difference, but maybe that's just my experience. Let me know in the comments below if you think CBD is worth the hype, and have you noticed a difference as opposed to using products without it? We got another mask by the same brand in the beauty bag, but looks like we got Firm and Lift. So I'll definitely have to try out both of these masks and report back how they worked out for me. I'm very excited that I got 2 masks from this brand. That way I can use both of these masks and see if it's a brand that I might continue to buy from. And lastly, we have this palette by Medusa's Makeup. Medusa's Makeup is a brand that I get a lot in my more indie subscription boxes, which is nothing bad. It just means I'm learning more and more about Medusa's Makeup and what their products are about. And this is the eyeshadow palette Electro. Ooh, that's kind of pretty. It reminds me of the KVD palette that has a very similar color story. And of course, we're gonna do some swatches. Andy, Pop Culture, Always Sunny, Petal. Okay, I mean, the yellow still made it all the way through. It probably just needs to be built up. Yellows, I have found, are very difficult. Let's try one more swipe and see. Come on, yellow. Kind of. It's trying. And that's with 2 swipes. Stiletto, Gravity, Feminist, Roxy. Oh no, I was hoping that the blue was gonna be a little bit brighter. I think it just tails off a little bit at the end. I'm gonna do another swipe over it. Come on, blue. I think that helped a little bit for that swatch. And of course, these are just swatches, and it's from my finger to pan down my arm. There's no primer on my arm, and when we apply on the lids, I'll be taking a brush and blending it out. But with some of these being very light and faint, I hope it doesn't give us blending issues. White Hot, Galaxy, Chalice, Vice. Chalice and Vice are also pressed glitters. White Hot barely shows up on me. Okay, that's with the second swipe. And this is the entire palette swatched. It's not the most pigmented palette. Like, I'm not very like, ooh, over this palette. I wish the shades were a little bit brighter because it definitely looks a lot brighter in the pans compared to the swatches. So it is a little bit underwhelming seeing it swatched, but like I said, these are just swatches. We'll definitely have a better idea how we like this palette when it's applied on the eyes. Box wasn't bad, but it wasn't my favorite. I think that the lashes and the sponge are my favorite products that I received. I just wish that this palette was a little bit brighter, but maybe with the primer and applied on the eyes, I'll like it a little bit more than just on a first impression swatch. Lastly, we have the skincare box. We have a product by the same brand that makes these sheet masks. This is a pore erasing stick. I need that. I get really bad blackheads on my nose. It's for your T-zone. That's definitely where I get a lot more oily as well. This is oil free. It's a charcoal grain scrub. Directions: gently rub on the wet nose with stick and rinse off. Clean the stick after use. So it sounds like it's a pore strip without the stripping. You're just cleansing it instead. I'm very intrigued. I haven't used a product like this before, and sometimes with the pore strip, you could actually be ripping out more of the skin and some of like the good stuff as opposed to just the bad stuff. But it is very satisfying getting the gunk out. I have seen this brand before at Ulta. This is by the Better Skin Co. This is a gentle detox cleanser for all skin types. This is powered by French lava, charcoal, green tea, aloe vera, and seaweed trio. And you get 2 fluid ounces. Use twice daily, morning and night. Mix with water and lather over face and neck. Rinse with water. And I don't see parabens in here, which is good. I prefer my skincare to not have parabens in it. Kind of want to put some on my hand. Looks like there's little exfoliants in here because they don't have like that grit to it, but they're still dissolving. Definitely smells like aloe vera. This cleanser feels really nice. It's not lathering up because I don't have any water on it, but it feels super gentle. And based off how it feels, I don't feel like it will strip away any moisture on your skin. That is my biggest pet peeve of cleansers. I'm already dry as it is. Do not suck any little bit of moisture that I may have. I guess this brand is very popular this month because we have a pore glow mask that brightens and glows. I feel like we're gonna look like the Tin Man using this mask. Yeah, I'm not gonna open it quite yet. Maybe we could use this in a live, testing out some more skincare. If it's a peel off, I'm going to struggle. My face does not get along with peel off masks, but it says rinse clean with lukewarm water. I guess we'll give it a shot and see. I'm very excited to do all this masking. We also have by the brand Double Dare some hand sanitizing wipes. That is really nice. I've actually been enjoying brands that are including sanitizing wipes or hand sanitizer because it is still very sparse and very hard to find during this time, so I will definitely put those in my purse in the event I do have to go out. Last but not least, I guess it's by the same brand. This is the Peace Water Aqua Fresh Gel Day Cream. Ooh, that sounds refreshing. And same as the mask, it came with this cute little spatula. This looks really interesting. It looks like it's flubber or something. Let's open it up and get a feel. Oh, it feels like straight up Jello. Probably should have used the spatula. That's why it's there. Oh, that is weird. Oh, it feels lightweight though. That's gonna be really nice for the summertime because I do tend to get a little bit more oily. I felt like that consistency might have left a sticky feeling, but it doesn't. My hand feels really smooth and it's working on locking in the moisture right now. I am really enjoying this brand so far. I really want to try this mask after filming and seeing how it helps unclog the pores because I do have a full face on. I don't know what my favorite is. I'm very intrigued by this brand. There's just something fascinating about these 3 products, and they're definitely something that I'm gonna get a lot of use out of. And it doesn't take anything away from this cleanser. It's just this is a new brand to me, and all these products are just very exciting. They all felt really nice upon the touch, and I'm just very excited to implement them in my skincare routine and giving you guys my review. I would say overall Glow Addict was a hit for June. There's really no products I have any complaints over. If I had a complaint about a product, maybe it's this, but other than that, all the products do excite me. I would love to know if you guys get Glow Glow Addict, do you guys get the beauty bag, box, or skincare box? Or do you get all three? Or do you get a mix and match of 2 different tiers? And I believe there is a variation to the beauty box with the palette, because they did sell out of June's box and they got another palette to help replace it. Let me know what palette that was and how that worked out for you. And if there were other different products that you might have received than I did, definitely let me know what they were and how it worked out for you. And let me know if you plan on getting any of the Glow Addict boxes for July. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave. And if you don't, I appreciate your view anyways, and I'll see you in the next video.